Jürgen Martineinstein from ESPN. I know.
I remember
I know.
your voice.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Didn't get better, huh?
No, it won't. I was born like this.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. My mother was surprised because as a baby.
When
I
you
had this
were
voice.
2 years old, you had that voice already.
They were scared at me.
I'm sure I would have been. Okay, sorry. Then you see Real Madrid playing in different games against other teams, and you think, wow, they are really strong. But they never played us. That's another part of the truth. And we are Liverpool, and not only a really good football team. We have all as well. In this club has in its DNA that they can really go for the big things. Nobody expected us to be here, but we are here because we are Liverpool, and that's because we had the games we had in the Champions League. That's the most exceptional run to a final with the most goals than ever. I cannot believe that it's true, but it's us.